Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This video is focused on my fischertechnik made robotic arm with pneumatic hand, and last time I focused on the hand pitch, which means that using the motor right here I move the hand up and down, and that doesn't particularly work quite well. So my conclusion was I have to make a reconstruction, and to show more, let me zoom in if I can. Yes, I can. And the whole thing is to make this more rigid, because right now if the motor pulls the cord, that means this cord, then the whole structure with the sensor moves backwards. And let me move the camera a bit. Yeah, it's not a steady cam, as you can see. But anyway, here is an arc structure, and that arc structure has to be made longer and to connect here, however it is being done. So let me zoom out a bit. So this whole structure has to go here somehow, and then it should be working. And then I go to screencast, and the reason is that when the construction is completed, then I can show everything. But for now, let me take this camera view, put it like this, and show how things work out or not. So in order to start the reconstruction, I have to loosen the things, and that means also, and I do that manually as you can see, release the hand pitch. Then this is all based on one piece of material, quite flexible as well. And so here should be connection right here, and then here we have also connectors for this switch. That is with this movement, which is the roll of the wrist. So I have to go up and then down again. So this may not be as easy as expected. And I might even have to elevate everything of this, but then the whole construction here comes into danger. So let me first try to go up, horizontal and down again. The first step is, as I find out, not to go up, but to bend this resistor backwards, and then put this element right here. So now this will still work. So we have now this distance to cover and then go down. If that is still matching my plans, because what I notice is on the other side another construction which I already made, and that is pulling things backward a bit. So it may not even have the result that I want. Anyway, first cover this somehow. An idea is to use a cover plate like this and mount it here, but it is just not long enough. So this is 3 parts long, but I need a 4 part. This may be the solution, part of the solution once again, and I just have to bridge this gap. Question is how to do that. I thought about making one stone here in here, but I like parts. And if you look close enough, then you can see that this isn't even straight above each other. So that's another problem. But this has to be connected. And if I look on the other side, there is half a stone or something difference, which I might solve here as well, but the question is, of course, will that make any difference? Because it has to be a solid connection. And this one is open on top, obviously, so that may not be entirely what I intend to do. And what I forgot to do was one piece of this in between here, because I started right here on this part, on this side, also with the piece like that. So then is it no more than logical that I do the same here. Although that gives a problem like this, so I have to put that one around, shove it in, and then all seems to be covered, but a connection here. So if I can find a 30 piece or 15 piece, whatever, then that problem should be over. And I found one piece, so let's mount it. This one goes in here, and this one goes right here. So that's now completely mounted. Not in a very straight line, I have to say, but it works so far. It is now one piece, one arc. Question is, does it work? Does it have the intended meaning that this doesn't, and this way you can see what I mean, that this sensor isn't pushed back by this, because this is mounted on the rod for the arm, hand, then this shouldn't be pushed back and everything works, if it works out. So let's see about that. And in order to demonstrate, I have to shrink this window. And move the camera backwards, because it will go running and do everything it should do. Right, hopefully nothing topples in between. Let's go. This is pushing now against the sensor, and I'm waiting for the sensor LED to switch off. But it's even pulling. Right now it is pulling, which is not good. Why is it pulling while the switch is clearly activated? That is not good at all. This is something which is clearly in the code. So hardware says yes, I am activated. What does the software say? That's an interesting one. And when looking in the data file, something strange is noticed. It says hand release, But it says hand pitch pull start. So it starts pulling, not releasing. So I have to find pitch pull. That's here. Is there a release? A release start. Right. And is there in here a release? Or pitch release? Well, it is there. No doubt about it. Hand pitch release. And that is between pitch pull and pitch, yeah, between two pitch pulls there's a pitch release, but it doesn't last long. Quite, and here another one, and in between there are pitch pulls. So go all the way down. Oh, that's a long way. Okay, let's go there. Pitch release end. So there is something very strange going on, and I have to find out what, obviously. Why is the hardware not following the software? But that is, I guess, something for next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification, and you can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please support via PayPal, Ko-fi, or by becoming a patron. More information on my website and also on the Patreon site, obviously. This is going to be continued. So for now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.